Hey everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 15 of the 30-day 100 rep challenge. Today we're doing an arm exercise, something for the shoulders. We need really light weights. I have mine here. We're doing a combined raise. That means at the same time we're doing front and lateral raise, and on the next rep we're switching arms. So please don't lock out your elbows. Keep your elbows slightly bended and don't over raise. Don't go there. Just keep it shoulder height. Okay, let's go. Let's do 100 reps. Here off we go. $25. And 50. Okay, take your time, just a couple of seconds. We are halfway. Do you feel the burn in your shoulders? Okay, get ready. 50 more and off we go. $75. Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 100. Yay! That was amazing. Thank you so much for joining me today in day 15. So now we are halfway through this challenge. I'm so excited. We have 15 more days to go. Keep showing up, keep doing the work, and you'll get amazing results, I promise, because consistency always wins over anything else. Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy your day, be good, feel good, stay active. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.